Guys, welcome back. So in our last video, we had configured our Metasploit, and in this video, we will be knowing what all things we can do by exploiting our vulnerable VM. So in case if you have not seen, this is the OSCP preparation course which I have, which comes with 90% discount, and which already is currently available with $10. It might increase in future, and it contains beginner, intermediate, and advanced sections. In beginner, OWASP level vulnerability will be covered. In intermediate, all the privilege escalation of Windows and Linux, and in the advanced section, we will be exploiting real world scenario vulnerable VMs, which will give you a hands-on on the OSCP preparation or practical hands-on offensive penetration testing. So let's start our Metasploit. So as you can see here, this is the Meterpreter session. We had got it from our last tutorial. Now what all things we can do? Let's check. So as you can see, you have to write help here to see what all available commands are here, which we can get this executed. So let's see, here you can see here, there is a so you see there is a hell lot of things which you can do with your Metasploit, and by exploiting Windows 10. So let's start with some of the famous one, and I will leave you guys to prepare or explore what are the Metasploit offers you for doing this. So you can see here these are the various commands. So let's start with the most famous, getting the getting the key scan or key logger started, or and or you can do the webcam as well, and you can get the screenshot, screen share. So for now my vulnerable VM has this console. You should, now I'm minimizing it. This is the desktop which we will be seeing from our Kali machine. So let's see how to do that. Since our Meterpreter session is already open, so we will be doing screen share to watch the remote user's desktop in the real time. Let's see how we can do that. So for that, you have to just write the command screen share, and using this command you will be able to see the screen of the victim machine. So once you press enter, let's see if we are able to see the desktop of victim machine or not. Similarly, you can do your keylogger. See, this is our Kali machine, and we are able to see the victim's Windows machine here. So what he is doing, we can see everything here. Suppose the victim goes, or if here we can't do anything, but only we can see. Suppose if victim go to some other files, or some of his their password files or anything, if he going in his folder, you will be able to see him in real time. Go for this PC. If suppose he is in the folder this one, and you are in your Kali machine, then you can see him clearly what he is doing. This is your Kali machine. As you can see, this is our Kali machine, and we are clearly seeing what he is doing. So let's again come back to our here, and let's close this session. Now let's see what other things which we can do. So we can take a screenshot as well of his of his console. So you can take a screenshot, grab a screenshot of the interactive desktop. So you just write screenshot, and you will be having screenshot of vulnerable machine, so or exploited machine. As you can see, as soon as you have done a screenshot, so it is saved to root Metasploit JPEG format. So it is save to that particular root file. If you want to go here, you can click it here, and you will be able to go, and you can write root and Metasploit, then you will be able to see the screenshots saved here. So we can go for home, and write Metasploit. As soon as you have written Metasploit, you can see the name is uh, yeah. So this is the screenshot which you can see. This was the screenshot XMNB. You can check it from here. If XNM, this was the screenshot. So whatever he is doing, you can see him by capturing the screenshot See, it has captured a screenshot for you. Now what? Now the next thing which we will do, we will be, doing the key dump, or we can capture every keyboard input the user or the victim is entering. So for that, you can write a key scan dump. Key scan dump will dump all the keyboards, or all the key, all the, whatever the keyboards or whatever the words he is typing. So let's copy it, and before that, let's go to now our victim machine, and let's try to access some URLs, or some write some username or password. So if we are, suppose if victim is writing facebook.com, and he is entering any password, so you can get his password as well. So if you are writing test and you are writing password, anything, I'm just writing a dummy value, not giving you the exact value. Suppose if he has done this, and you are on your meter station, and you have just pasted this value, key scan dump. So let's see if after entering what we are getting here. So as you can see, for now it dumping captured key stop. I think operation failed. Why it is failed, I don't know. Let me check again. So let me write it again, something like admin write password, and go to our Kali machine, and again try to paste your key scan dump. Okay, somehow it is failing, but it will give you in the maybe something happened and I put control C, so that's why it's not happening. So in that case, you will get all the key scan or the key dump value whatever the user is typing. Similarly with webcam, you can go for webcam chat, you can go for webcam list, webcam snap. Since I have already one, I'm working with the VM, so I might not able to work this, but in real world scenario, if the system has the camera enabled, then you can start a video chat, you can do list webcams, you can play whatever from his webcam. So that's all you can do, and there are many more things which we can do, which we will be covering in the next session. Now we will be exploiting the Linux machine, and let's see what all things which we can grab it from here. So guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next tutorial. Thank you.